All right, so I got another package in the mail, another delivery. I mean, I wouldn't, this is like, isn't this too big for a package? This is actually the ottoman to the sofa I ordered. They were just, obviously being sent at different dates. The ottoman was available immediately, and the sofa at the time that I ordered, which was like a week ago, was about 14 days. So I have around 7-ish more days, maybe a little bit more left for the couch. But anyway, I'm gonna unbox this, and that way you get to see the ottoman, and obviously I need to make sure that it's what I ordered, and you will get a feel for what the couch is going to look like. All right, so got it unboxed, and this is what it looks like. Actually, I expected it to be more white, and I'm actually kind of glad that it's not as white as I thought that it was going to be. It definitely reminds me of the same. This is why you go in stores and pick out your furniture, but this material is exactly like my last living room furniture that's upstairs now. The kind where Luxie's hair will get nice and caught in it. Oh, but it is what it is, and it's gorgeous. It's supposed to be like super fluffy, and it's supposed to be like a knockoff version of the Cloud Couch on Restoration Hardware, the kind that Karen and Kwa have on their KK and Baby J channel. That couch is just way, way too expensive, and owning a pet, like, I just would never be able to have something so expensive. I'd be too stressed out wondering, you know, if she was gonna get it all dirty and stuff, but this is, again, like a knockoff version, and it's just so fluffy. Let me step back so that you can kind of see it. And it's attached, so it's not like a cushion that's just gonna slip on and off. It's not a storage ottoman either. It's just an oversized ottoman. And the way that the couch is built is that it comes in multiple pieces so that you can actually configure it in different ways. So I could add this to like the end of a chair part and make it like a chaise lounge. So yeah, so anyway, I'm actually really happy with the color. The material cracks me up. I really did think that it was gonna be something different, but I can't wait for the couch. Also, the reason why I didn't fully remove the wrapping around it is because I still want to keep it covered. I don't want to use it until the couch arrives, so we're just going to keep it protected, and can't wait for the couch. What is my life right now? Anyway, I'm basically not really in front of the camera that much because I'm just taking care of the move-in. This is a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna separate these out into my Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday videos, and then I'll get them all pre-filmed. Today, I want to tackle the bathroom. This is out of control. Really, the reason why it still looks like this a couple weeks later is because I have been thinking I was gonna film it, you know, for my main channel, and I'm not really sure where I'm headed with that. At this point, I don't even care anymore. I just want to get everything put up so that it looks nice, I can clean it, and all that stuff over here. So that's all I want to do. So that's what I want to do today. Also on my to-do list for today, I need to take these boxes up. I've got some luggage that needs to go up, but just this stuff, because what's kind of up against the wall over here is gonna stay here for now because it's my decor, and I have no idea where any of this is going still because I'm waiting for furniture and such to make those decisions. I think I actually have some ideas for how I might do this. So my brother is gonna help me move the TV up about 1 inch or 2. It's actually up against the wall, but it looks like it's sitting on this entertainment center, but it's not sitting on it. It's just, that's just how freaking tall this thing is. Did not expect for it to be as large as it is, but I'm thinking I may do like my tree topiaries right here, and I'll show you those. and then do some sort of like metal thing because I love to balance things out. So these two right here, and they were on my console table in the living room before I moved. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna repurpose them onto this, because after getting this ottoman and seeing the size of this ottoman, I'm just like, oh my God, that living room furniture is going to swallow this space up. And I kind of knew that anyway. I knew I was really risking it to do a sectional in here. I think this is a space where you don't do a sectional, you do like a couch and maybe like an armchair or two, but I want something comfortable. And so I know that this sectional I ordered is going to be massive. So the point is, I don't think that I'm gonna have space for a console table directly behind the couch. So I could repurpose those two topiaries for there. Who knows, maybe I'll put it there, I don't know. This space, I actually want to do some sort of cabinetry, kind of like a bookshelf / china hutch situation. I really want furniture, if that makes sense. I feel like my last place, I really just didn't have bookshelves and furniture, you know what I'm saying? Just like that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, I have something picked out, although it's like this thing where you build it in pieces. So to do 3 pieces, it would actually cover the light switch. So, so I'm still thinking about it, basically. So I'm finished putting everything away. This is not how it's going to look in the long run. I just wanted to unpack and start to get a feel for all the drawers and the cabinets, which sink I think I'm gonna be more drawn to, which I think it's gonna be that one. So this one will probably just be a little bit more decorative, or you know what, I may even switch. I just started putting things in drawers. Again, I'll probably end up moving some things around. Have no idea how I'm gonna do any of this. I just wanted to go ahead and start with something and just kind of see, you know, when I get ready, what it's like grabbing for stuff. I like that I have all of my hair tools are able to fit in one of these small drawers. Before I had them like in the lower, and it's just nicer to kind of not have to bend down, I guess. So, and then I have this whole linen closet, which I need new towels and sheets and things like that. So I'll eventually stock it up with things like that. Yeah, this was decorations from the last house. I just put it there, but who knows what's really gonna happen here. This is the shampoo that I got from Amazon, and I really wanna try it because it has amazing reviews and I wanna give it a go. So I'm gonna pull that into the shower tonight, and I went ahead and pulled the blinds down a little bit further, but it's really interesting because it does make it a little bit darker in here, even though they're open. But anyway, all right, so checked this off my list. See, I need bath mats. I need, you know, all the essentials. I can't wait to take a bath in here. It's a jacuzzi or whatever you call it, jet tub or, yeah, so I just have to figure out my color scheme and then we'll be good to go.